Yeah, but now that you said that, we're gonna lose.
Nah.
Hakurio. Okay.
You rented Shimakaze. Oh, you can
Look,
outgun them.
that's Nemo's Smurf account playing Montana.
Which one?
Montana.
Whose Smurf account?
Nemo's.
Oh. Okay, so the plan ultimate on the seaside at the the far away little island
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
G8 and the flank on the flank, yeah.
Yeah.
Moskva on G7 at the behind the small island.
Got it.
I can sit at F7, keeping the thing in mind that Hinton doesn't push me. So if you all can promise me that, I can make sure no BB or a DD rushes C.
Okay, then you go towards F7, then Moskva towards B.
But make sure Hinton doesn't rush.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
have.
Shimakaze here and Smolensk here.
But in rental ships, you can't even put camos.
No, on C, you torpedo from C. Hold these guys back so they don't push Lucifer camping here. What?
I'm saying rental ships doesn't get a camo. I mean,
No.
They aren't allowed to put camos on.
There's
For
not
some weird
the
reason.
slot isn't even there. Just signal flags.
And these guys are already aiming at me.
Out of range Montana sniping set the fire on him.
You like that new technique I taught you, don't you?
Horn, be careful though. They're trying to shoot at your broad.
Just saw them. They will miss me.
No, these are HEs. I'm just saying that who knows, the BB is trying to shoot at you. Easy citadels, Oh, the Hinden has the range mod.
Hindenburg. Or he has the
Yeah.
spotter plane active. Either one.
Oh,
sure.
no, yeah, it
One
has
shell
spotter
from the
plane.
Hindenburg hits me, fire.
That's also same case on me.
That particular person is right now busy. H is spamming a petro. Nice. I burn for.
Oh, fuck
Full
you.
fire from what?
I
That's
could
fine.
raid the Shimakaze if you want, but I need someone to fire at him.
Yeah, I have my second reason on my guns on him.
My rudder is jammed. I can only go straight.
Moscow is pushing.
Okay,
Good shot.
turn towards, put your bow there, towards here.
That's one DD spotted. I don't know about the other DD.
Shimakaze would just leave my radar range.
I'm more worried about the torpedoes.
Is up.
Mine is also.
Bruh, Hakus, did you seriously think I would push?
Here
How
they
funny.
come.
How funny.
They're pushing?
Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna take two.
nice wall.
Shima, you can go inside the cap.
There are more torpedoes coming.
They have both of the Shimakazes are this side.
Eh,
Also the CV. Shumio, we need help on this side, man.
yeah. We're in serious need of help.
Well, this Petro should push
Spot
fast.
the Shimakazes.
Should push fast.
Hindenburg firing
Petro,
from
can you
stealth.
push? What did you say, Horn?
That Hindenburg just fired his first salvo from stealth.
Lucifer, don't push. The Hindenburg is moving forward. And I want to.
I'm taking tons of damage from the Hindenburgs.
I'm hydro spotted sadly.
Reverse behind this
It
island,
doesn't
man.
matter if I push
Or
or I
reverse
don't.
behind this island. Get in cover. We got the cap.
I was gonna cover you with torps, but never mind.
I think they probably will get the other
at some
side.
point.
Need some confirmation. Do you guys get the other flank?
We can if our Petro pushes the other flank. So
I
once
am
he
pushing.
starts,
I am
yeah, he's
pushing.
pushing. Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna get
So
the
Yeah,
just-
then we can flank. Then we
It's
can
just
push
a minute.
them.
Spotting me, I can't go dark. We
Oh,
need to fight
Bullet,
this Shima.
Oh
Bullet.
fuck this game.
Don't bother
Fine, sometime
talking right
messes
now.
up.
He's hydroing. He will spot your torps way early. I not. Both Shimas that flank? Both Shimas there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I shall
Okay,
be
so
careful.
Hindenburg is rushing. Hindenburg is rushing. Okay.
Hindenburg.
Just
Berlin,
focusing
water,
me.
don't get hydro. Berlin, don't get hydroed.
Shima will leave my radar range soon.
But Petro, be
Yeah,
careful.
left my radar range.
Yeah.
Because Hindenburg, I will either
Okay,
ram.
I'm using his own smoke.
I can't.
Try to get this Shima if someone can.
Wait, why is Shimi pinging me?
I have an island.
Got citadels on him so far.
I'm down to 14k health and I'm spotted again. They're instantly
Oh
focusing
fucking
me.
hell! These torpedoes are every single time.
Oh, okay. You just
Focusing me again, I can't see who's shooting me.
36
Yeah,
is gone.
same.
Okay.
Their
He
Shimakaze
might.
just smoked.
Moscow is pushing.
He's dead.
Yeah. I mean, I'm tempted to just wait for him here because we've got a crossfire. Never mind.
Wallace, can you maybe visit a Hindenburg Mino 90 down there?
Mayday, terribly. Someone save me, please. Don't drop, don't drop. Haku, don't drop. We were best mates in a time.
Can you keep reversing and get the other Shimakaze?
That solely depends on the person you're talking to right now.
Or
I need some fighter. Please, I beg.
he just fired off his
I mean, I'm
torpedoes.
gonna try and give you AA support.
Oh, he just left my hydro range. Fuck.
Thank you, CV.
Yeah, I can't see him anymore.
Okay, now man, just stay there. Just stay there. Let me get in positions. If I don't get in the middle, we can create crossfire. Okay, need
nice
to get the
ratio
other
spot him.
Shimakaze.
Oh my god, he did the cutoff. He did his drops. No,
Can anyone
don't.
confirm where the Shimakaze is?
Why did you want me to push up behind you?
That's a
living
good right. Lol.
So I've got a problem because the Hakuri is angled to me and I keep on bouncing.
I need some help on this, guys.
Pushing up.
If we get both of the cabs, we can stay back.
You already got both of the caps. That's why I'm like thinking why are you pushing?
We have those
I'm not
gaps.
pushing.
I mean,
I'm
you are
going-
dead. It doesn't matter you push or you don't. You are dead. I'm talking about the cruisers. They can just go dark.
Yeah,
easily.
just chill out. I'm not dead though.
I just want to get rid of Carrier because Carrier can really hurt me.
Got
But
Citadel
you
on
can't
the...
kill the carrier, his Bowen, unless you start spamming HE on her, which will take you roughly around 1 minute to kill her. Just don't go any forward. If you have windows, if Hinden
Yeah.
has eyes on you, you are dead.
Carrier's going forward.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and spam
Good,
the
good.
HG. But the only issue is I can't stay still.
CV, if you have any fighters, can you drop on him?
Don't push, Horn. Don't push.
Already
Just-
slowing down, but I
Because I mean, if I can get protected from the aircraft for a bit,
Yeah, he's bringing his fighters. Don't
I can
worry.
kill the CP.
Yeah, he's bringing his fighters.
would need their spotter planes to get to me. I'm trying to long range snipe a bit of the carrier. Keep
Yeah.
him busy.
Oh,
He's
Hindenburg.
getting
shit.
inside my secondary range for some odd reason.
Yeah, that's the plane you should be worried about more. I guess Shima can't. Yeah,
Or
he's shooting
do you
Shima.
have
Come on,
radars
come on.
left?
Okay, the island is blocking me now.
Forget it.
Horn, do you have
Petro.
radars left?
So,
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Radar.
Who wants me to rate? I can't rate her. No, I was gonna say.
Shima's on the very far side.
See?
He's trying to round us up.
Yeah,
Moscow, you
just keep
better start moving
just
forward.
keep pushing forward. He
I'm
will have
slowly
to
moving
turn.
forward.
He will have to turn to do torpedoes towards you.
I mean, there's 3 rental ships.
Silent.
Horn.
Silent.
Well,
We were talking earlier about the icebreaker pen with Petro. Yeah, so at that like at less than 3 kilometer range, Petro gets a 500 something millimeter of pen value. That's why he was able to pen.
that's what that was.
I could push around the corner when my Hydra is up again.
No,
That means
no
he
need
can
to
also
push.
pen
If you
32
get
millimeter
spotted,
of
the
armor.
Montana will kill you.
We just all need to
Can't
sit.
hear if everyone is talking.
You don't need to push if the Montana will get you. Don't push. Stay behind the island. If I get detected, means that Shimakaze is going from here. Okay, the Shimakaze is in front. Probably.
Yeah, Moscow can, and there is a Shimakaze also with his on his support. So you
Yeah.
can.
Just don't go forward, Horn.
I'm not. I'm scaring him. Apparently, I'm scaring him away with my Hydro. Which is fine.
Which is fine, yeah. And if
Well, Berlin was saying that we were supposed to lose this match. Well, we disappointed her. It
Nice.
seems.
Yeah, I suppose you did, rather. The jinx did not hold true.
victory.
Wait, I shot down 42 planes. Lol. I didn't even see that coming.
Oh, one more win and I get a bit of steel. That's nice.
So we have to play one more match for you then. Okay.
And we have to win it.
Yeah.
That I can't guarantee.
The game doesn't need to know.